Hi mom, hi dad. Let's go to Tokyo.
This is our rented apartment here in Tokyo. So yan, complete amenities yan. Mag-quick haul tayo ng aming mga binili sa Family Mart. Hi, good morning everybody. Today is February 6. It's a Thursday and we are going to Naiya, and we're bound for Tokyo, Japan today until February 9. So ayun, 1:10 p.m. yung flight namin. And it's 7:40 right now, so it would take us 1.5 hours, according to my husband, 1.5 hours to get to Naiya Terminal 3. And yun, we have to be there 3 hours before the flight. I think that's the rule of thumb pagdating dun sa schedule ng pagdating sa Naiya. It covers yung mga pagpila sa immigration, yung pagbabayad sa travel tax, yung pag-check-in. So, yun.
Napadaan ako ng C6. Ganun siya ka-traffic sa Ortigas and Edsa.
Hi mom, hi dad. Let's go to Tokyo.
So guys, nag-ano muna kami, nag-drive-thru muna kami sa Jollibee. And kasi medyo ma-traffic daw. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. So, ayan. Si Daddy ay pancake sandwich. Tapos si Stan ay burger steak. Tapos ako din ay nag-burger steak. Ito yung dala namin ngayon. So, we are carrying 5 luggage. So, dalawa dyan ay aming i-check-in. Okay, so we are already near Park and Fly because magpa-Park and Fly kami ngayon. So in our previous travels, I think napansin nyo din na we have been using the Park and Fly service kasi mas convenient yun for us. Like, we just leave our car dun sa area ng Park and Fly, and then they bring us to Naiya, and then it's the same thing when we get home. Ganon din. So they will pick us up at Naiya and then will bring us back to the, what do you call that, Park and Fly area. Tapos we're gonna get our car and then yun, uwi na kami. So very convenient siya for us. So it's now 9, what time is it? 9? 9:09. So parang 1 hour lang yung naging driving time ni Dad, travel time niya from our place to here. Pinadaan kasi ng Waze si Daddy sa C6. Kaya maaga kami, or hindi kami ganoon. Kaya hindi kami ganoon na traffic.
Okay, understand.
Konnichiwa, Tokyo. Upstairs, the second floor.
No. Okay. Thank you. Be kind.
Okay, so we're here, guys. This is our rented apartment here in Tokyo. So, ayan, complete amenities yan. So, ayan, may dalawang double size bed. And then, merong TV. Tas meron din dalawang single size na bed. magsisettle in muna kami. And then baka lumabas kami to have quick dinner. See you. Bye.
Very nice find, Mom. Thank you. It was a great find.
Found spaghetti here, guys.
There's another pasta.
And also other types of pasta. Salmon spinach. There's carbonara as well here. There's clam pasta, garlic and oil, chicken cream. Sumimasen. ファミチキ一つお願いします。はい、はい、一つお願いします。
Mami, sige, sinabi mo. Okay, so we're back in the apartment. Done with our dinner. Nagramen lang kami. Tapos, we went to Family Mart. So, ayan. Mag-quick haul tayo ng aming mga binili sa Family Mart. Okay, so, we have this milk tea from Lipton. This is, ano to? Matcha. Matcha green tea latte. And then the black coffee. Ang init.
Yeah.
And then this is tuna and egg sandwich. We also have ham and egg. And then yung Ohio na, this is creme brulee, I think. Yeah, ito yung famous na trending sa TikTok. Yan, creme brulee siya. And then we're trying this out as well. This is from Glico. Pudding ata ito. Yeah, pudding siya. Tapos, I don't know if this is caramel or chocolate. Yan. And then, we're also trying this out. Japanese ang ano niya, characters. Pero parang ano din siya. Mukhang, what do you call this? Parang pudding din siya. So, we'll see. And then, ito nakita ko lang, sweet potato parfait. Parfait, di ba?
Yeah.
Yan. Kasi mahilig ako sa sweet potato. So, parang may mga nakita akong, anong tawag ba dito? Gelatin. Gelatin?
Yeah, jello.
Jello.
Jelly, yeah.
May jelly. So, parang mukha siyang masarap. Kaya, I'm trying this out as well. And then, I also saw this one. Parang, Shirokuma frozen dessert with condensed milk and fruits. Ayan, ganyan na naman yung itsura niya. So, there. And then this one, nabasa ko to and vinavouch siya ng mga nagstay dito in the past weeks and months. Sinasabi naman nila na it's really happening every year. Kasi lagi namang may winter dito sa kanila. So, every time, every winter, talagang nangyayari yung outbreak ng influenza. So, sinasabihan yung mga tourists na you can prevent that from happening to you kung magpapa-vaccine ka, tapos you take your daily vitamin C and yung basta immunity booster na kung ano mang meron kayong medicine. So, ito yung binavouch nung ibang tao na pag nandito sila, bumibili sila nito to boost your immunity. So, ito yung vitamin lemon C1000. So, nakakita ko ng variant na green. Ewan ko kung anong difference nito. Hindi rin kasi walang English translation, pero yan. Pero ito yung binavouch, itong yellow. Pero nakita ko to. This is parang mga 80 pesos na more expensive than this one. So, we'll try these two. And then, what's this? Onigiri. We have onigiri. Another onigiri. And then this one I saw lang din. Frozen white choco flavor covered strawberries. So, and then Family Cheeky. Kasi nakatingin na kami nito ni Stan when we went here last September 2024. So, si Daddy, hindi pa siya nakatikim nito. So, sabi namin, this is really very good. And parang nag-melt siya sa mouth sa sobrang lambot ng chicken. So, must try din to. And, yun lang. This is it. Parang, ano yata to? Parang 3,900 yen yung total namin. So, it's about parang mga 1.5 ganun in Philippine peso. Yun. So, yun lang. And we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, Magagala Yuzawa kami. It's a ski resort. 1.5 hours away from Tokyo. So, maaga kaming gigising bukas. 5:30 dapat. Umaalis na kami dito sa apartment para mahabol namin yung Shinkansen train going to Gala Yuzawa. So, yun lang. Thank you. Have a good night. Trying this out. The sweet potato parfait. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Here, oh. May jello siya sa loob. Sa ilalim pala. Like this one. Yan. Pero lasa and sobrang amoy sweet potato. Sobrang masarap siya talaga. Tapos parang may cream din siya na nakahalo. Basta yung mixture niya, everything is really so good. Pero gusto ko talagang matikman dito yung sweet potato nila na as in, yung sweet potato, yung walang anything. Basta parang binake lang siya or steam, tapos yun, pwede nang kainin. Pag may nakita kami tomorrow, bibili ako nun. Pero when I saw this, kasi nga gusto ko ng sweet potato, it's really good. Yung smell, yung taste, yun yung parang itong yellow na to. And then yung white, may cream sa loob. Tapos, jellos yung nasa loob. Ay, nasa ilalim pala. Super yummy. And then Dad is trying out the pudding, the Glico pudding. And then Stan is eating the Family Cheeky. Oops. It's already 10:45 Japan time. Kailangan makatulog na tayo ng 11. Kasi 5:30 dapat maalis na tayo. Ayun lang guys. Bye!